You can expect a lot from the 2018 Nissan Pathfinder. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. Nissan infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as a tachometer, a trip computer, an outside temperature display, heated door mirrors, remote keyless entry, and a split folding rear seat. Passengers in the third row enjoy seat-back reclining functionality, providing an extra level of comfort and convenience. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Nissan also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.